Hey, welcome to Digital Clicks. If you are new here, my name is Augustus Philip, and on this channel we do a lot of videos that will assist you in your KDP business. Videos that solves problems for you. If you check through here, you see a lot of videos. We address challenges in KDP. Any challenge you have on KDP, come here and check. You will see the video here. You will find your solution here. So in case you don't see the one that addresses your own challenge, just comment your challenge. Put your challenge in the comment section, okay, and we will address that. All right. So while you get value from this channel, please, I want you to subscribe. What we are seeing, what I'm seeing is not really encouraging. Look at this video. People are getting a lot of values from it. Look at the number of people that have viewed, 524 within 1 month. And look at the number we are on this channel, only 39. This is wickedness now, guy. Don't be like this now. You are better than this. Subscribe to this channel. You are getting values from it. You are getting value. Subscribe. Encourage me. Let me give you 1 minute to do that before we continue. That is it. Thank you very much. All right. So today I'm going to be addressing the issue of trademarks. If you are new, trademarks will discourage you. If you are new to Amazon KDP, trademark can frustrate you if you don't know how to handle it. And if you're already in the system, you should know what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to address that challenge on KDP. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can check for trademarks so that you can avoid book blocking and possibly account termination. All right. Now, this is my account, my old account, because I almost gave up. Look at all these books were blocked. And see, if I point to this block, if you read through, you see something like copyright here. All right. Possibly one of my challenge was trademark issues. Okay. And I know a lot of people are facing that challenge today. And if you're not facing it, it's good you know about it before you face it. Okay. Because it's sad to see that you put a lot of effort to write a book and at the end is blocked because of just this singular issue. Okay, so I want you to stay with me. I want you to stay with me to the end of this video. I will be showing you a lot of things perhaps that you haven't known yet. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's start. Now, the first thing you have to do, just head over to Google and search for trademark search. Trademark search, that is it. Trademark search, that is it. So you click on this one, trademark search. Okay, good. Now, this is the first website I use for trademark search. Okay, there are other ones I will show you before the end of this video. Now let's look at this one first. All right. USPTO. Okay. Now the essence of trademark check is for you to know if a particular topic you want to write contains trademark keyword or whether it's trademarked or not. If it is trademarked, it is advisable that you leave it. Okay. It is advisable that you leave it. Now, let's say you want to write on a topic that contains National Geographic. So what you do is you change here to watermark, put here National Geographic. Okay, National Geographic. I enter. Okay. So you scroll through it. Look at this one. National Geographic. Life. National Geographic. Okay. Have you seen it? It's trademark. Now, there are 3 things you need to look at when you are checking for trademarks. One is the keyword, the status, and the class. These 3 things: the keyword, the status, and the class. Now, the status of this keyword is live, and it's exactly the keyword you type, okay, and it is live, and it's also registered, okay. Now, what is the class? Class 38. The classes you should avoid while checking for trademarks are class 9, class 16, and class 41, okay. This one is in class 38. If you look at this one, this is class 31. Now, if you want to know more about those classes I've just mentioned, you can use this website, LegalZoom, to find out about those classes. But as a publisher, these are the classes you should avoid. This has to do with publications, okay, paper and all of that. It has to do with publication. 9 actually has to do with audio, something of that nature, if I'm not mistaken. So those are the things you look at. Now let's do something. Let's say publication. Let's refine our research and say publication. If you want to be more specific, just refine your search to publication. Okay, good. This is exactly what I was talking about. Look at this. National Geographic. It is live. The status is live, is registered, and look at the class 16. And I said you should avoid class 9, class 16, and class 41. Okay. Look at this one, class 16. National Geographic, class 16. This one, class 9. Have you seen that? Class 41, class 16. Okay, so if you have something like this, please just stay away from that topic. Okay, just stay away from that keyword. If you try it, your book will get blocked, and if case is not taken, you can lose your account. Okay, so now let's look at another keyword. Diabetic diet. We have refined also publication. Okay, so we just enter. If you find this interesting and valuable, okay, please like this video. Please like this video. Okay, like this video. All right, so the keyword diabetic diet, let's check it. We have refined it to publication. Let's check. This one is diabetic. It's not the same thing as the keyword we type, so it's not considered. Okay, look at all of this. There is nothing like that. So you are free to write on this topic. Diabetic diet is free. It's not trademark. Okay, you not have any issues writing on this. All right. Now let's look at another one. Recovery. Let's say recovery. Okay. Now, there's a reason why I use that word recovery. I want to mention to you that just one word cannot be trademark. Okay, just one word cannot be trademarked. Though we have short tail keyword and long tail keyword. One word could be considered as a short tail keyword, but one word cannot be trademarked. Okay, for example, you can see this place I passed. Recovery 2.1, recovery 2.0 is not the same thing as recovery. There are two different things. Okay, this is like two words, and the other one we're talking about what? Recovery. So this one is live. For the status is live, and classes 9, 16, and 41. Okay, so you should avoid recovery 2.1 because it is trademark and is live and is under class 9, 16, 41, and all of that. Okay, now if you should have something that is trademark that is not in class, any of these class 9, 16, and 41, you are free to write on that. Okay, let's take the next example. Let's say food addiction recovery. Food addiction recovery. We have also refined to publication. Good. Is there anything like that? The addiction professional. Okay. Okay, so there is nothing like that. So you are free to write on this keyword. Okay, you are free to write on it. So just to refresh your mind, when you are doing keyword research, there are three things you need to look at. Now, number one is the keyword itself, the status of the keyword, then the class. If it is live, if the keyword is the same thing. Number two, if the status, if it is live and registered. Number three, if the classes fall under 9, 16, and 41, please avoid them. Okay, as a publisher, I repeat, avoid them. Okay, abandon it, avoid it. All right. Apart from this website, like I said, there are other websites too I normally use. This is it, Trademark here. You can do your keyword research here. The next one is this one. You see it just here. Okay. Then I can also use ChatGPT to validate if the keyword is trademarked or not. Okay. So guys, this is how I do my keyword research, and it has been helping me. If you find this video interesting, helpful, and valuable, please like and share. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.